Right, so for the purpose of the video, we're going to make a half recipe. So 225 grams of chicken liver, 30 grams of clarified butter, 30 grams of roasted garlic, 50 grams of caramelized onion, 2.5 grams of sea salt, 1 gram of fresh thyme leaves, 250 grams of cream, 80 grams of foie gras, 25 grams of sherry vinegar, and 100 grams of Madeira. Okay, so can you pause it? So pop the Madeira and sherry vinegar into a pan. Pop it onto the heat and reduce it by half, by 50%. For the foie gras, get your pan nice and hot. Touch of oil, not too much. And then we'll just pan fry the foie gras until it's golden brown. When the pan's smoking, it sizzles nice and golden brown. Okay, great. Job done. And then we just pop that straight into the Thermomix. Next, keep your pan nice and hot. Use the same pan. Touch more oil. Keep the foie gras fat. And add the chicken livers, which were already soaked in milk and have been rinsed off with cool water. Turn it off immediately. Toss them, just a quick stir, like so, into the Thermomix. And then we add everything else. Clarified butter, roasted garlic, caramelized onion, the cream, sea salt, thyme leaves. Make sure there's no stalks in your thyme. Close it, and then we'll set it to 60 degrees, 20 minutes. Set it to number 3. Just give it a quick mix to get it open up a bit, and then drop it down to 3.5 and let it do its thing for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes the timer goes off. Just blend it on high speed for a little while, make sure it's nice and smooth. Look, just like so. Then pull the strainer just to make sure it's super fine. Bit of a voiceover from Cassie there. Say hi, Cassie. you talk on the video, you've got to be in it. Okay. Super smooth. And better to use a jug, but just for the purpose of this video, fill the jars about halfway, and there we go. That's it. Sweet.